Welcome back to your juicy Advent Calendar.
Our mission is to find world peace through intimacy.
I'm Shaft Uddin.
And I am Ronja.
And today is exercise
number 8. The steamy handstand. The giver is prepared to catch the receiver as she goes up into a straight handstand. He then grabs her by the hips and buries his face in between. She tries not to fall down.
Thank you for watching and don't forget to tune in tomorrow. It's a great position.
Check out our links below, subscribe, and follow us for more fun stuff.
And remember, the most powerful gift you could give each other
is your presence.